Preston Tinsong has said the state government would submit an affidavit to the High Court of Meghalaya, giving all details and documents on the proposed relocation of the residents of Harijan colony as the process was initiated in deference of the court direction. The statement comes a day after the Harijan Panchayat Committee rejected the government's relocation proposal, terming it as incomplete, unsuitable, unprepared, unfair and undemocratic. Tinsong, who received a letter from the HPC rejecting the proposal, on Friday said, according to the letter, the committee does not want to even sit and discuss the matter. Referring to the charge that the government has not fulfilled the HPC's 8-point demand, he said that it is not possible for the government to do everything.
As per their demand, I think it is not possible to the government to do it everything. Will not be able to do it. Their demand is what? One is 200 square meter plot of land, and number two, 20 lakhs each unit, which is how can we consider that one? From day one itself, when we had a meeting, I told them very, very clearly, we'll have a blueprint which is acceptable to both sides, and they get such a wonderful place, such a wonderful location, which is also falls on the European world. Again, from the government, as I said to you, we will ultimately submit our affidavit to the Honorable High Court.
It all